blow dry, flat iron, or curl their hair every single day, I would be way too terrified. I'm just like afraid to all break off or something. And somehow this magical thing that happens. No matter how early I start getting ready, I would take the whole amount of time. I don't understand it, but it happens. Things that are quick and easy are super important because I can't deal with the things that are complicated and long. I like the quick and easy, I'm still taking way too long on it. So if you're one of my fellow people, these hairstyles are for you. That's why I created these step-by-step, heatless, easy, fast hairstyle tutorials for back to school if you want. I mean, you can wear them anywhere, but they would be really cute hairstyles to wear back to school. If it's your first time here, welcome to the queendom. Comment below to let me know that it's your first time so that I can welcome you. This is part of our back to school series, helping you create your best school year yet. So before we get started, comment below and tell me your favorite subject. And if you don't want to miss the other back to school life hacks, outfit ideas, DIYs, and other shenanigans, make sure you subscribe. Alright, so if you've got your hairbrush, let's go. Let's start off with this fun half-up double ponytail look. If you love the look and feeling of having your hair down, but don't like how tangled and flat it can get by the end of the day, you need to try this one. You can still enjoy the full length of your hair, but you'll get fewer tangles, not have to worry as much about it constantly getting in your face, and get the appearance of having extra volume. As with most hairstyles, you'll get the best result if you start by getting out any tangles. For hair types like mine, that means brushing, but you're probably already familiar with what works best for you, so just do your thing. Section off the hair for one of the ponytails. I like to grab hair from farther back on my head. I find this creates the illusion of more volume. You may want to do the sectioning with a hair elastic around your wrist so it's ready to go when you're happy with the hair that you've sectioned off. You'll probably need to twist it around several times to make sure it's in there tight. You can back comb it gently if you want to give it some extra volume, but don't go crazy. You don't want to avoid the heat hairstyles only to damage your hair with aggressive teasing. Now repeat on the other side. Try to match up sections of hair on the top of your head so that they're even. As long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars. For an extra polished feel, you can hide the hair elastics by wrapping a small section of your hair around the elastic and securing it with a bobby pin. I don't know what it is about hiding hair elastics, but it can take even simple hairstyles to the next level and make them feel like fancier than they are. And there you go. As long as the stars in the sky, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes. But I told you so. Our next look takes the first one just a bit further and makes it a little extra playful with these half-up space buns. Actually, this is almost closer to Sailor Moon hair than space buns, but either way, I'm obsessed with these and regular space buns, honestly for such a weird reason. I love seeing my shadow with them because it makes me feel like a little bear. That's actually how I got the nickname Bird Bear. Anyway. You can start where you left off with the last hairstyle for this one, just don't wrap the hair around the elastic or tease your hair. Grab one of your ponytails and start twisting. Don't twist it so tightly that the hair starts to coil and form loops though. The twist doesn't need to be tight at all, it just needs to stay together. Now start wrapping it around the elastic. The key to getting this to stay is adding in the bobby pins as you coil it around, especially if you have long hair. Just poke them in from the outside, pointing in towards the elastic as you're going. Do not wait until the end to secure it with your bobby pins. My brain wasn't functioning. I filmed this really late and was insanely tired, okay? I didn't do this at first and wound up having to do way more adjusting afterwards to get it secure. Then again, repeat on the other side. Once you're done with the second bun, if you need, you can even them out by pinning pieces down with more bobby pins. But don't stress about them being perfectly symmetrical. As long as they're about the same size, you're good to go. Since we got so close to space buns in the last look, I had to do one that goes all the way. So this look is an easy twist on regular space buns. We're adding a small braid on each side to give this style a unique spin. There are a couple different ways you can get to this look. You can either start by dividing your hair into two high ponytails, basically do look number one with all the hair up except two little sections in the front, one on either side, or you can start where we left off and you're still gathering all the rest of your hair except for two little front sections. Either way, we're doing almost the exact same thing as the last look, just with a lot more hair. So it's even more important this time that you pin as you go again, because more hair means it's going to take more bobby pins to secure it. Now that it's all up except for those little front sections, we're gonna braid each of those little sections. I actually still left some of the front strands out of the braid so that they can hang down by my face. It keeps the look feeling a little more relaxed and tousled instead of tight, sleek, and pulled back, which is not what we're going for here. Then just pull back each braid, coil around the bun, and pin into place. Ta-da! There you go. You may find yourself feeling rather bird bearish yourself if you spot your shadow. Ponytail is one of the most classic hairstyles ever, but doing a high ponytail, at least with long hair, my short-haired friends, please tell me if you experience this too, is so hard to get it smooth to your head. For the life of me, I could not do a basic high ponytail without it looking ridiculously bumpy, until I discovered a hack that I'm going to show you here in a minute. And if ponytails pull on your head or give you a headache, I have another hack for you that will fix that too. So ponytail life hack number 1. Use a brush with light, flexible bristles. They tend to smooth things out better. And I discovered this on accident when I got the brush that I'm using here. I'm pretty sure it's actually a little kid's brush designed not to hurt their head while their mom's brushing their hair out. But I like the color, so I didn't care, and I bought it anyway, and I'm really glad I did because the thing is amazing for smoothing your hair out to get it into high ponytails. Ponytail life hack number 2. I'm actually not using this one here in the video because I discovered these so recently. Invisibobbles. They're a hair elastic, except they don't pull on your hair, give you a headache, and make that awkward crease that happens when your hair is up too long, and they come in different colors. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I went to the Invisibobble website to go and get you guys a link to put in the description. While I'm there, I discovered they have a unicorn edition, a mermaid edition, a princess edition, a rainbow, and they even have like little scented ones that smell like donuts and things. So I'm like going bananas and like I have to show you. So I'm interrupting. But yes, I also did not forget your link. Oh, and I'll put one to the hairbrush too. Oh, and I'm wearing one. I'm wearing one. Can you see that? Can you see that? And now you can go back and learn how to do your hair from this. The easy pony heart and braided heart. You're gonna be shocked how easy this is. You can do this as a ponytail or a braid. They both have completely different vibes. The braid look sort of reminds me of Princess Leia, and the ponytail is much more floaty and less structured. Okay, so I know interruption number 2. You're not gonna believe this. You know when something just like works out so perfectly? Anyway, that just happened. I did this style that you're watching here with a device. I guess a device. This is this really old hair thingy called a hairagami. They were really popular in like the early 2000s. They're basically like a velvet colored slap bracelet, and if you don't know what a slap bracelet is, this is what it is. Actually, it's honestly really more like this. Please don't slap me in the face. Not you. Problem is, after I filmed it, I was like, oh crap, do they even make these anymore? And I was like, great, I'm gonna have to deal with that later. And I hadn't even gotten to the dealing with that. But anyways, so I was looking up little Invisibobbles, and they basically make one. It's like the exact same thing, and they call it a clicky bun. So like, and me just happening to Google like a link to get you guys, I discovered that they have like mermaid and unicorn stuff, and they solved my other problem. They have a clicky bun. I will also link to the clicky buns. I just love it when things work out even better than you were expecting. Like you didn't even know that it could work out like better, and it did. So anyway, go learn how to do your hair now. Just gather all of your hair into the hairagami so that it snaps up and in. It helps later if you spread your hair across the hairagami relatively evenly instead of keeping it all clumped in the middle. Now snap both sides in and up so they're curling together like the top of a heart. You can adjust the hair and spread it out more evenly along the whole hairagami if you didn't get it spread out enough earlier. Now gather the hair coming out from the hairagami and secure it with a hair elastic to create a heart shape. This look works best if you use a hair elastic that matches the color of the hairagami. If you want to go for the ponytail look instead of the braid, it's cute to tie a ribbon on top of the elastic to make a little bow. And like earlier, this works much better if you use the same color as your hairagami. Flying higher than the stars, we'll be dancing till the dawn. To do the braid, just braid down from the hair elastic. Technically, you could do it without the hair elastic, but depending on your hair, the heart may be more obvious if you use the elastic. It's so rare to find something that's this cute and easy that hasn't been done a million times. Plus, you can change up the entire look in a matter of seconds by adding a braid. So hearts for the heart styles. Finally, for those days when you're really in a hurry, but you are not about to leave the house looking like Anna did when she woke up on Coronation Day.
Time to get ready.
Ready for what? We have the hat. Okay, I know this isn't really a hairstyle and your school may not even allow hats, but this was my mom's idea and it was too good not to include it. Plus, it actually is a really good option as long as wherever you are going, you are allowed to wear hats. And I really love this hat. The double palms give me the bear ears shadow. If you try any of these hairstyles, post a picture on Instagram and tag me in them so that I can see them. I hope these easy, heatless hairstyles keep your hair healthy and you on time for school. Make sure you check out the rest of the back to school series, especially the DIY school supplies. Don't forget to subscribe. Pascal wants you to subscribe and you wouldn't want to disappoint his cute little face. Thanks for stopping by. Remember that life's what you make it, so go out there, create your fairy tale, and I will see you in the next video.